Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's video, I'm almost complete with my brand new Skillshare class number 2. And I am drawing Rihanna. So this following video is just a summary of what this class is about. And just as a quick reminder, I love teaching through pop culture, and don't forget that I do have a Skillshare class that's already published and it's ready to be viewed. Just go to Skillshare.com and I have all the links in the descriptions below. And this is just a small snippet of the things that I teach through pop culture, and this is just one of the lessons that I like to do using erasers, brushes, and stumps. So go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much. So for today's project, we are drawing Rihanna. We will be drawing Rihanna at 3/4 of an angle, and we are using graphite pencil. So if you don't already know who this is, she's an international singer from Barbados. She's an R&B and pop singer. So one of the reasons I decided to create this project was work within pop culture. Instead of drawing a boring model or just something that's uninteresting and anything that's by the books, which a lot of class courses do, I decided to use a famous icon like Rihanna and create an entire course around that. So one of the reasons is that a lot of artists do have trouble drawing the eyes, the nose and mouth, and just the entire face at this angle. Sometimes things can be off when it comes to the symmetry of the face and the proportions, which is the most important thing when drawing a portrait or a face. So if you haven't already done so, this class also follows in the footsteps of my class course number 1, which is drawing Yoda through freehand drawing. And this class will be using freehand drawing, meaning we're gonna just draw on the paper directly. We're gonna try and create likeness as much as we can. And this is the way we're going to understand perspective. So one of the first steps we're going to do is create some small thumbnail sketches in order for us to get familiar with what we're doing and how we're gonna draw our 3/4 of an angle face. So we'll be drawing small thumbnails, get familiar with our materials, for example, all of our graphite pencils, our erasers, and also for the end, how to blend everything together in order for us to create a 3D look and go for realism. And I truly believe that any artist can draw realistic. I know it looks really tough, but it is not. As long as we follow these steps, we go back and forth with our reference photo, we can create anything that we want. We'll learn how to draw the eyebrows and kind of touch on a little bit of how eyebrow hair works. We're gonna focus our main attention to her eyes, which is one of the most important things to a human face. And also we'll learn how the eyelashes work. We will be drawing the nose and lips. And at the very end, try and smooth everything together and create something special. So, are you ready to get started? See you in the next lesson.